are Jay and Bridget Modulin, and we are the Modulin Collection with Kentwood Real Estate. Today we're featuring our listing in beautiful Broomfield, Colorado at 13456 Via Varra, Unit 339.
This beautiful corner condo is southeast facing and boasts tons of natural light. A dual primary bedroom design with one of the bedrooms offering a flex or office space. Enjoy all of the beautiful Colorado seasons on the south facing deck, in the community pool, or on the nearby trails.
Parking is a breeze with one assigned parking space in the community garage. Enjoy all the great dining, shopping, and activities with nearby Flatirons Mall, downtown Louisville, and downtown Superior just minutes away.
So what do you think? My favorite feature of this condo is the beautiful views. Broomfield has so much to offer, and this may be your next home. Contact us today for a private tour. Thank you.
Thank you.